What shape is this?
Ten.
Star. What shape is this?
Ten.
This one.
Ten.
Square. How about this?
Tango.
Triangle. How about this?
Was
Grass. What color is this?
pink.
Pink. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Lima.
This one?
Lima.
What?
Lima.
What's that? What color is this?
Tango.
This is a triangle. What color is this?
Tango.
Yes, it's a triangle, baby. What color?
Tango.
Right. This one. What color is this?
Go.
Huh?
Uh.
You're so cute. You're so cute. What about this? Is it hot or is it cold?
Good.
Cold. Very good.
Good.